Okay, so in Linux we have a chmod command, right? So in today class in today video we will discuss chmod command. So chmod command is used to for changing the permission in Linux, right? So chmod means change mode, right? So let's suppose here we have ls space hyphen l. So when you will run ls hyphen l command, you will see all four file and directory available in the current directory, right? So see on these files we have some permissions here. So on any file, right, just monitor sh, for.sh, some scripts are there, right? So let's suppose on this a.sh we have what permissions, and on this monitor.sh we have these permissions. So the first, right, this dash, it will define which kind of file it is, right? So if you are saying d here means that is a directory. If you are not saying anything, it is showing blank, means that is a file. So after that we have 9 dash more, right? So the first 3 dash, it's indicate that user owner permission, right? And second 3 dash, it's indicate group owner permission, and third one is shows others permissions, right? So currently on this monitor data search, who is the owner? Owner is root. And who is the group owner? That is also root. And except root, all other user is other for this monitor data search. So let's suppose you want to change a permission on any file. So current permission is RWX and RX means for user read, write, execute, and for group read and execute, for others also read and execute. So see, you can see this is a script. So let's suppose you want to remove that permission, right? So there are two methods to change permission. One is octal nation, right? And second is you can say second is numeric, sorry. First is octal and second is symbolic method, right? So symbolic method means you have to use plus, minus, and RWX. Let's suppose I just wanted to remove X permission for others. So I can use O minus. Minus means I'm just going to remove a permission. What permission I'm just going to remove? X permission, right? From monitor data search. So you can see that permission is removed from this file. Let's suppose I just wanted to remove permission or add permission, write permission for a group. So I can define group G and then plus. Now I'm adding plus means write permission on the group. So what I will do, I will use G plus W and then use that file where I have to give the permission. So see that permission are added, right? So when you will use symbolic method, so then you have to use RWX. R stand for read, W stand for write, X stand for execute, right? And you have another options, right? You have another options like on UGO, right? U stand for user, G stand for group, and O stand for others. And after that, you have an option for minus or plus. Minus means you are removing permission, plus means you are adding permissions, right? So this is how you use symbolic method. And second one is octal nation, right? Octal nation means octal method. So in that case, all this read, write, execute have their own value. So R will have value 4, right? And W will have value of 2 and X contain value 1. So total is 7, right? So you can say if you will divide 7 into 3 parts, so 4 is read, 2 is write, and 1 is execute. So let's suppose I just wanted to give permission on this monitor.sh. So how I can give? Chmod 7, right? 7 and then 5. So what permission happened in this 775 means for user full permission means RWX For group, full permission means RWX, and for others, 5 permission means read and execute. So currently you are able to see only read permission is there, and I just wanted to add execute permission. So I have to add 5. Okay. So see ls-l. So see, write permission is executed. Understand? And let's suppose you want to remove all the permissions for any file, or you just wanted to give permission to user. So in that case, what I have to do? 700. 700 means there is no permission on groups and others. So you can see here on groups, we don't have any permission, and on others, we also don't have any permissions, right? So you can simply leverage chmod command, and then you can use any of the options, either numeric method means octalination, or either symbolic method. Okay. Okay. So in symbolic method, you have to use UGO and RWX, right? On numeric method, you have to use 777 only, right? And if you want to give full permission, let's suppose you just wanted to give full permission on any file or folder, you can use 777, right? So if you do ls, so see now it's have a full permission means RWX, RWX, and RWX. So if you want to give any permission recursively means, let's suppose we have where OPT folder. Inside this, we have some folder just like GitLab, right? Where OPT we have GitLab folder, or let's suppose let's create the folder here, right? mkdir test test. We have created one folder. So currently, what permission is there on this current folder? It's RWX and RX. So let's create one more folder inside this folder, right? P1, right? P1. And again, check the permission on test. So in this P1 also we have, right, RWX and read. Read write means 755. That is default permission when you create any folder. So let's suppose you want to change permission, right? So you change just permission on this test folder. So see, I have given full permission on the test folder, right? So how I can check? LD. So see, on this test we have full permission, but still inside this test we have the old permission which is not replicate. So in that case, if you want to give permission recursively, then you have to use -R after the command, right? So now if you will see ls-l inside test, you will see all files and folders are automatically inherited from the parent folder, right? So you have to use -R. And as expert, let me tell you one thing very carefully, all right? Never ever use -R without a confirmation, right? Let's suppose you are just giving 777 space -R, and by mistake you use hyphen, right? Or either you just not write path correctly and you use like opt like this. So what this command will do, it will change all permission on your root directory or your root folder, right? So what it will do, it will crash the system, right? So that's why I'm saying always make sure when you use -R that permission is correct or not. Or second thing, the you are using -R where means you are using correct path or not, right? So it should not be any mistake. If any mistake you will do, it can crash your system, right? So yeah, definitely we have an option to recover that after giving 777 permission, but you have to do that with rescue mode, and that is a lengthy process. So better don't do that kind of mistake. So before running -R, make sure you verify that you are running the correct command or not. Okay. I hope. So this is very short video, so I'm not covering permission on very detail, but you will get a complete video on separate video where I will just like cover all the permission options for the Linux. Thank you.